Computer science videos here today to show you guys in tutorial 9 how to follow somebody on Instagram using a computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So the first thing you need to do is go all the way down to your dock, click on your web browser, which in this case is Safari. Go to Instagram and go to the search box and then search for a friend, a family, a celebrity, or an Instagram personality, but in this case we will be searching for Chelsea FC, my favorite football club. Click on this, we can follow. We have now followed the page. Go to our home page, click on following, and now we can click on following to unfollow the account. Refresh the page, go back to Chelsea FC Football Club. Click on follow again. Go to my account. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.